Forget the compass and canteen your grandpa used. Today, we're all about next-level gadgets that will have you feeling like a superhero of the outdoors. Today, we're diving deep into the world of hiking with 5 insane must-have items that will take your trekking game to the next level. From innovative tools to life-saving devices, we've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Welcome back to Next Coolest Gadgets, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of technology. Forget carrying separate poles and filters. The Protrek 2-in-1 trekking pole seamlessly combines both into one lightweight, compact unit. This frees up space in your pack for other essentials and keeps your hands free on the trail. This isn't just a stick for stability, it's a full-on transformer, morphing into a water filtration system that will have you wondering why you ever bothered carrying a separate filter again. It's a game changer for remote hikes, letting you ditch the extra bulk and focus on the adventure at hand. It boasts a 2-stage filtration system. The first stage, a large pre-filter, tackles coarse particles like dirt and debris. Then the cutting-edge hollow fiber membrane steps in, eliminating a whopping 99.99% of nasty bacteria, protozoa, and even microplastics from your water source. Those long hikes can get sweaty. Protrek's comfortable foam-molded grips are sweat-wicking for a secure hold, no matter the terrain. Forget bulky power banks and unreliable outlets. The PowerFilm Lightsaber is your solar-powered lifeline on the trail. This ingenious gadget keeps your devices juiced up, ensuring you never miss a photo opportunity or lose touch with loved ones on your outdoor adventures. Lightsaber's magic lies in its state-of-the-art, roll-out thin-film solar panels. Imagine a super thin, flexible solar panel that unfurls to capture the sun's rays. This innovative design makes the Lightsaber lighter and more portable than any other solar charger on the market. Don't worry about dropping your lightsaber on a rocky path. The industrial-grade fabric casing is as tough as nails, protecting the solar panel from the elements. It's like having a miniature solar power plant that can handle anything the trail throws at you. The Lightsaber is a dual threat. Unfurl the solar panel and harness the power of the sun, or plug it into a wall outlet for a quick recharge. This flexibility ensures you'll never be caught with a dead phone again. Imagine venturing deep into the wilderness, surrounded by breathtaking scenery. But what if something goes wrong? Cell service vanishes, leaving you disconnected. That's where the Garmin InReach Mini 2 steps in, transforming your solo adventure into a safe and connected experience. This compact device is a satellite communicator, essentially a lifeline for off-the-grid adventures. It's incredibly lightweight, adding almost no weight to your backpack. Think of it as a tiny guardian angel that keeps you connected to the world, even when cell towers are a distant memory. Feeling lost or facing an emergency? With the InReach Mini 2, help is just a button press away. Trigger an SOS message and get connected to a 24/7 search and rescue coordination center. Trained professionals will receive your SOS, your location, and even basic information about your situation, ensuring a swift and coordinated response. Getting turned around on a hike can be stressful, but with the InReach Mini's trackback routing feature, you can navigate your way back to your starting point with ease. Imagine this: you're deep in the backcountry, miles from civilization, when a vital piece of gear breaks. Panic starts to set in, but then you remember a trusted companion in your pocket: the Rovertac MultiTool. This versatile tool transforms from a compact pocket knife into a problem-solving powerhouse, ready to tackle any unexpected challenge on your outdoor adventure. It's a toolbox condensed into a single, easy-to-carry unit. At its core is a sharp 3.15-inch stainless steel knife, perfect for everything from slicing food to clearing brush. But that's just the beginning. The Rovertac has a handy 9-pack screwdriver set for quick repairs. Feeling thirsty? Whip out the built-in bottle opener and enjoy a refreshing beverage. This multi-tool even boasts pliers and a wire cutter, making it ideal for unexpected fixes or crafting wilderness shelters. Its core components are crafted from solid stainless steel, ensuring long-lasting performance and resistance to rust. Whether you're a seasoned backpacker, a casual hiker, or a weekend camper, the Rovertac MultiTool is an essential addition to your gear. Imagine this: you're on a breathtaking hike, but your water supply is dwindling. Nearby streams and lakes might seem tempting, but the risk of bacteria and parasites lurks beneath the surface. Fear not, adventurers. The Sawyer Squeeze water filter system is your key to safe, clean drinking water anywhere you roam. Weighing in at a mere 3 ounces, the Sawyer Squeeze is a featherweight champion. It tucks away neatly in your backpack, adding almost no weight to your load. The Sawyer Squeeze operates on the power of your own hand. Simply fill the included reusable pouch from any freshwater source, screw on the filter, and squeeze clean, drinkable water straight into your mouth or a water bottle. It's that easy. The Sawyer Squeeze boasts a revolutionary hollow fiber membrane filter. This technology removes a whopping 99.99% of all bacteria like Salmonella, cholera, and E. coli, and eliminates 99.99% of protozoa, such as Giardia and Cryptosporidium. You can drink with confidence, knowing the Sawyer Squeeze is your guardian against harmful contaminants. So there you have it. These 5 insane gear and gadgets will transform your hikes from ordinary to extraordinary. Remember to leave a comment below with your favorite off-the-beaten-path hiking essentials. And for more outdoor adventure tips and tricks, hit that subscribe button.